Hello from Minnesota's highest rated Kia dealership, Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. If a new car is on your summer to-do list, then we're here to make that process easy and enjoyable. We keep one of every model here for you to test drive. Sportage, Sorento, Carnival, K5, Nero, Forte, even the 2024 Telluride is here and ready for a test drive. The best way for you to get your new Kia is to visit our website and schedule a VIP test drive with one of our product specialists. Pick a day and time that works best for you, and we'll have the car or SUV of your choice pulled up and ready for your arrival. After your test drive, we'll go to work and get your new Kia on its way. Now here's Howard to tell you about some of this month's specials.
Hi, I'm Howard with Lupient Kia of Brooklyn Park. Explore anywhere with confidence this summer in the 2023 Kia Sportage. This month, lease a 2023 Sportage EX all-wheel drive for $319 a month for 24 months with money down. Reasons to choose the 2023 Kia Sportage include standard Kia DriveWise driver assist technology, available Harman Kardon premium audio system, and Kia's industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Stop by or give us a call to get your 2023 Kia Sportage.
Visit Lupient Kia, located next to Walmart in Brooklyn Park, or online at lupientkia.com.